this morning. Got up at 5:30, and this was Michael's longest run. How'd you feel?
I almost died, but I'm still here.
He survived. He'll be fine. We left the kids at home again. I'm really liking now that the kids are older and we can actually do stuff again without them. But we are on our way to see another house in Dickinson, which is where we used to live when we first got married. Not really looking forward to going back there. We really like League City, but we're just gonna see this house and check it out. So this is an open house today. It's pretty. We're back in the car. The open house is supposed to start at 12. It's 12:07 and the realtor just got here, so we need to give him a minute to set up. Open house take 2. So far, not loving it. Okay, we're done. What'd you think?
It's not big enough. It's not going to fit us what we're looking for.
Yeah.
The layout's not there.
Yeah, I think so too. It's a newer home and it's pretty, but it's not going to fit for us. So let's go eat. This just opened up here. They're still in training, but we're going to give it a shot. I gotta say, the service has been great and this food came out so fast. Michael got the po' boy and I got the coconut shrimp. Alright, I cannot eat anymore, but it was really good, and Michael's was delicious. That remoulade sauce is amazing. So definitely give this place a try. We went to the one in Galveston and liked it, and we're glad we have some more choices down here because there wasn't much to choose from as far as restaurants. Harper and I are at the play place now for a birthday party. I thought the party started at 2. Apparently it's 2:30, so here we are, early. So excited to spend more time here. You did it! Woo!
Do anything. The stuff that he can do with metal is just phenomenal. Caleb's a certified welder, and
All right, guess what we're doing? We're looking at more homes.
Surprise!
It is Sunday now. We saw a home earlier today, but it needed a lot of work. So now we're coming back to the original house that we saw that started this whole moving fiasco, because they came down in price also. So we're going to check them out, and then our realtor is going to show us another house after this one, and then we'll go home, I guess. I don't know.
I'm just watching the lady put up a sign. So we're here a few minutes early, and that poor lady over there is just frantically trying to get the open house signs put up in the yard, and we're just kind of watching it. I feel bad for her.
We like this house. Not only does it have all the rooms we need, but it is right next to the golf course, and it's just nice and open here. Very quiet in this area. All right, we're done with this house, and it looks like that's a cloud. I don't know, it's been so long since I've seen one, but hopefully it'll bring us some rain. We are done looking at homes. We're having ice cream and watching some scary shows online. We like Slaptown with all their ghost stories, and they're doing something on Disney right now. Very fun. Matthew and I are making an ice cream run because Bluebell's on sale, but the Cokes are on sale now, so we might need a bigger buggy. Awesome.
I know, we're gonna get a lot of this.
Yeah. Check out that price. We're home. This is what we got at Kroger. Just the essentials. I don't think I've ever been so excited about dark clouds. Look at that. Bring it. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. We're at an open house and there's crab bones everywhere. Okay, we just left this house. I don't even know if I could find the right words to describe it. There was Jesus murals everywhere, which whatever, that was their thing. Carcasses here and there, different floors everywhere. Nothing was done right, holes in the wall, dirty clothes.
Floor to ceiling murals.
Floor to ceiling murals. I mean, she was,
In multiple rooms.
yeah, she's a very good artist. Just, it was kind of everywhere. Paint splatter. Oh God. I mean, I'm gonna need a minute, honestly, to recuperate from that house. So fun. Okay, I didn't really end the other video. It was kind of crazy after that one house. We had to basically come home and burn our clothes and throw away our shoes. It was so gross. But it is Tuesday now. We have some people coming to look at our house tomorrow. So we're just kind of back in the routine of school and chores and all that great stuff that comes with life. So I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.